So, today I am making some fancy, simple Valentine's Day chocolate covered strawberries. Y'all like Queen Diva, make sure you hit that subscribe bell button and like button to keep updated with me and all of my videos on the weekends. Okay, the things you will need will be your almond bark. I am going to use some sanding sugar, something I purchased from Walmart. It's about 99 cents, I think. And some pink luster dust that I have. I am going to sprinkle some of the luster dust over a strawberry. I have my red wafers and some pink fondant pieces, roses and hearts, to decorate the strawberries, and I have 12 strawberries. I have placed toothpicks inside of the strawberries so I can go ahead and dip. If you are not sure on how to melt chocolate, I'll post that video at the top of your screen, so you can click on that video on how to melt your chocolate before you dip your strawberries into the chocolate. Okay, let's get started. So I am just pulling my leaves back, and I am going to give my strawberries a dip. And basically, I am just going to dip all 12 strawberries in the white chocolate, and then I'll figure out how I am going to decorate these strawberries as I go. I have my pink sanding sugar, and I am just going to sprinkle the sanding sugar over the strawberry. Make sure you have some type of cup underneath the strawberry, because you do need a cup for the sanding sugar to fall down in, or you will have a big mess. Make sure your chocolate is still wet in order for the sanding sugar to stick on the strawberry. Okay, so I have my red wafers melted, or red candy melts, and I am trying to make sure that I can get a straight line here so I can drizzle the red chocolate over the strawberry and make some type of design. So I am just trying to figure out how I am going to decorate these strawberries as I go. I just put the melted red chocolate in a sandwich bag. So I'm just using the sandwich bag. Basically, you put all your chocolate in the sandwich bag and you nip the corner very small and just drizzle over the strawberry. So now I have a toothpick that I am going to use to drag the lines down. That's all I'm doing, is dragging the lines down to make some type of design. Make sure you don't touch the strawberry. Just drag the lines down, bring the chocolate down. Okay, so I really do not need to do anything with the sprinkles, and this one is the one that I use the pink luster dust, so I'm just going to add maybe a rose and a couple of hearts. If your fondant doesn't stick on the strawberry, in which it should, just use a dab of lemon juice extract or some water. Okay, I'm pretty much done here. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching my channel. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and please share my video with your friends and family. Bye bye. Have a great Saturday. I'll see you tomorrow.